So hi guys, today I play this game my sister found, which is called Bob's Tickle Club. I don't know. My sister just found this game and I just want to try it. This looks very chaotic. Okay, so let's play Bob's Tickle Club. Okay, let's start. Lab. Baloney. Not unlocked. Not unlocked. And not unlocked. The game is actually really well made. Let's keep black. Oh my gosh. Select a trinket. Click me when done. On this thing. This. What? I'm so confused.
There's money.
Is this one of those games?
Oh my gosh!
Is this one of those?
I think he's gonna chase you. It looks like he's gonna chase you. What are those?
Is this one of those games that are just like very random and funny that just make absolutely no sense?
I think so. Some parts are blocked. C is blocked.
I think we're supposed to get through my dentist after I eat the equipment. What? I'm sorry. What's in here?
The raw very
What is this? Okay. I don't know what that was.
Hello.
What?
Hello.
I think someone's chasing me. Is this supposed to be like Baldi's Basics? Oh my gosh! I think this is supposed to be like Baldi's Basics. Oh, notebook too. Oh, those things were notebooks. Why do I have a map? Who is that thing? What is that thing? Okay, there's something stuck on my pants. Tell me, okay. Wait, can you watch my screen? Tell me if anything happens. Why is it so loud? No, let's run. What am I doing? Sorry bro, this jump scare is still being edited. I'm sorry, why am I love you. This is a really great game actually. It's really Bob, the owner of the club, he's evil. Trophies. La la la. Cool guy. Money man makes the money and stuff. Big bully. This bully has a big McDonald's addiction to the point he used all his money for Big Mac and now he steals the money from Steve. Polish mouse. Just a little kitty. She likes roaming around in the middle and if it finds you, it will teleport. Flower. Flower's the first person in the club until she found 2 notebooks and Bob is angry at her. She still lives in the walls hiding from Bob. Dr. Fortnite, a real OG. He'll dash towards you and ask you a question. And get it right or he'll get angry and make you slow. This is actually a really nice game. This is so well edited. Open him more is another staff member in the Tickle Club. He got bored of his job and started selling basic egg. Last place, a robot that landed in last place on the competition now likes to annoy people. Fonk, enjoy your genuine child. Since Stefan Damien has a small attention span. This is a very well edited game. What settings? Show face sound effects. What if I turn off everything? Here's baloney. Let's choose baloney. What? It's Polish mouse. What's this? Who are you? Okay. What's a skeleton? What do you mean skeleton? Boom.
Oh my gosh!
Okay, why did they show random clips?
No!
Can't go through here. Oh my gosh, I see 12.
Okay, my
things.
bubble drawing did not save.
What is that?
Yeah!
Oh, I got a mango.
Go, Missy! I need you!
Oh my gosh, what?
Happened
Okay, I'm
again?
losing all my brain cells by playing this game.
Yeah, I thought you got to.
Hello.
So, Bob's toes.
Hello.
Bob's chasing me. Where do I hide? Hello. Oh my gosh, what is this game? What is this game? Oh my god, my brain cells are all gone. I'm stuck. What's in here? Bag full. Bob, just tickle my toes already.
Hello.
Bob! Bob, just tickle my toes already. Oh my god. I'm losing all of my brains. I'm so confused. Can't get items normally. Get to drops every 10 seconds. Oh! Let's use the lab again. What is that sound? This one. Look at you on there. Okay, there you go. Do I have to just collect notebooks? What I am. Cherry.
Just wait a bit, guys. I'm so sorry.
Why is there no sound?
Face.
Oh my gosh, what is that? Sophia OG, world peace or
need to
imagining
wipe my screen.
later. What if I spoke to world
Wait,
peace?
guys, I am so.
Oh no. That's Bob.
Okay, so my video.
Run,
my video
run, run.
is making a this. I mean my sister's also making a video. She's playing a game. And
Oh my god! Ah! This guy caught me. Okay. Thank you. You saved me from Bob. Thank you. Last place. Let me get this.
What's in the?
Cherry again.
What do you even do here? Nothing.
Mango. I want the mango.
No, this is.
Ah! Oh my god! What is that? Is that the kid?
Chicken jockey!
What do you mean chicken jockey? Oh my god! I'm losing all my clothes. I can't run. Seriously, what is this game? Oh no, Bob! Don't tickle my toes! I need poopy. Oh my god, where's the toilet? I need to poopy. Because I need to poopy. I'm sorry. I need to poopy.
Oh my god.
Okay. I want Blab. What is that?
Also, I forgot to mention that this is Julian's account. By the way, this is my account. If you want to know.
What are those sounds? What are those sounds? Anyways. I'm so confused. I see a fish there. What?
Now I'm gonna check. There's a random sound in the background.
Hello.
No!
Hello.
I'm sorry, what just happened? That he...
There's nothing here.
No, this is unlocked.
Okay, so I'll delete this.
Why am I
Bye.
Okay,
This one too. This is really old.
there's
My
a
Taco
notebook
Kofi.
here.
Anyway, my Taco Kofi is my Ninja Cat OC.
My sister's also recording a video by the way. What? What is this audio? What? What is this? Why is there music? Is that the kid?